Perform all weekly maintenance tasks listed in the internal print server on the HP Latex R printer series. Before performing maintenance, make sure the printer is idle. Unload all substrate and close all covers and windows. From the IPS or internal print server, touch Maintenance. Select Clean the service station caps. Clean the printhead cleaning blade diverter and rods. Clean the left printhead cleaning blade and clean the aerosol nozzle plate and filters. Touch Start to view instructions on the maintenance process. Keep in mind, if you follow the steps in this video, the instructions can just be used as reference. Put on gloves for all printer maintenance tasks. Follow these steps to clean the service station caps. Open the carriage cover. Manually move the carriage to the left to access the capping station. Dampen a lint-free cloth with isopropyl alcohol. If you're in an area that regulates VOCs or volatile organic compounds for cleaning and maintenance fluids, use a VOC certified cleaner such as a properly diluted simple green all-purpose cleaner. Use the cloth to wipe any ink from the service station caps and then clean the area surrounding the caps. Wait 3 or 4 minutes for the alcohol to evaporate completely or wipe the caps and surrounding area with a dry lint-free cloth. Close the carriage cover. Follow these steps to clean the aerosol nozzle plate and filters. Open the carriage cover. Open the latch on the right side of the aerosol filter module. Open the lid. Remove the frame from the aerosol container. Remove the filter from the frame. Use a screwdriver to clean the frame nozzle, and then use the maintenance kit brush to clean the frame nozzle. Insert the filter in the frame. Insert the frame in the aerosol container. There is only one way to insert the frames. If you feel resistance, turn the frame around. Close the lid. Close the latch. Repeat this process to clean the other nozzle plate and aerosol filter. Close the carriage cover. Follow these steps to clean the printhead cleaning blade, diverter and rods. Open the carriage cover and then open the printhead cleaning roll door. Manually move the carriage all the way to the left. Clean the printhead cleaning blade diverter and rods with a lint-free cloth dampened with distilled water. Rotate the diverter and continue cleaning the entire surface until no ink remains. Use a screwdriver to scrape any dried ink on the diverter. Pull the black knob to the side to release the pinch system. From the top, clean the rod with a lint-free cloth dampened with distilled water. Move the materials to the side to access the printhead blades. Clean both blades with a lint-free cloth dampened with distilled water. Move the cloth back to its original position. Clean the rod in the middle path of the cleaning kit material with a lint-free cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Move the black knob to the original position to restore the pinch system. If necessary, turn the roll to tighten the material. Close the printhead cleaning roll door and then the carriage cover. Follow these steps to clean the left printhead cleaning blade. Open the top cover and pull out the curing module. On the left side of the printer, remove the left printhead cleaning blade from the printer. Use a lint-free cloth dampened with distilled water to clean the blade. Install the blade. Close the curing module and top cover.